Welcome to my nightmare. 2006 Honda Odyssey. I'm doing the AC completely. I'm doing the compressor, replacing the condenser. Here's the radiator with the new fans. I flushed the lines yesterday. Look at my mess. Look at this. Look at all this. Good thing I don't have to take out the dash on this vehicle to do the evaporator. Look at this. Look at this. This is the housing for the front evaporator. I mean, not the housing, but the fan and the servos. Check this out. It looks like a bomb went off. Front and rear evaporators.